Hi, my name is Holly Zhao, Product Marketing Lead for Team Workspace Solutions at Logitech B2B, and I'd like to introduce you to one of our newest products, Logitech Sight. So this is a product that's not yet available, but coming mid-2023. We're really excited about Sight as an AI-powered tabletop camera that works as a companion camera to our Rally Bar and Rally Bar Mini systems in order to deliver more equitable meetings into larger spaces. So if you're a remote attendee at home and you often can't see into those longer, larger meetings, what this tabletop camera does is it extends the audio and video more deeply into larger spaces to deliver you a really clear, front-facing tabletop view of meetings, which you can see on the screen here. This is an early demo of Logitech Sight in action. As participants in a meeting room talk across the table to each other, they're not actively looking at their front of room display, which you see here. So as they kind of shift towards each other and naturally converse, you're not able to see their faces or their expression, and that's where a tabletop perspective really comes in handy. This is a really innovative multi-camera system, and we're really excited to bring Sights in conjunction and partnership into Zoom Room meetings, Microsoft Teams meetings, and Google Meet meetings in order to extend that view into larger meetings and make video meetings feel much more inclusive. So if you want to find out more about Sight and what it's doing for video meetings, check out logitech.com/Sight.